Hi guys, it's another day on Tutorials Ghana, and today we are going to learn how to design or create a billboard mockup. Let's start now. This mockup will be placed at the description for you to download for free. So before you start this mockup, what you have to do is turn off this layer off and come to insert 2.1 design. The 2:1. Then you right click on that file or that layer and select replace content. So now you set your logo and click on place. Now your logo is successfully placed on the billboard, and before the logo will start brightening, this is what you have to do. Send the insert 2:1 design on top of the photorealistic layer like this. And now you have gotten your design on the billboard. Thank you for watching Tutorials Ghana. Meet you next time. Bye bye.
Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell, like, comment, and share.